Hey, today some reflections regarding building tech company. I had a meeting yesterday with potential founder of new startup and some investors and business people, and everyone wants to, or many wants to often immediately jump on the technology. Regardless if they have experience with technology or not, they are getting very excited about how the technology can solve everything. And what I reminded there was that the business starts from the sales and from your customer. And very often you don't need to build anything. You can just start with some mock-up or even with the pen and paper and just talk to your customers. You don't have to build a sophisticated AI system. You can emulate it on a very small level. I mean, you can limit of what you want to offer to the minimum which you can handle manually, and then assuming that you are able to code it later on, you can just test it. And when you test it with the customers, you get the feedback and you see if this is really what they're looking for, and then you can go for setting up the technology and stuff like that. All too often I've seen that someone came up with an app idea, then they invested their own savings, tens of thousands of euros or dollars, before talking to any customer. And they were getting excited about how great it will work. They could be technical people or non-technical. And then once they develop it, they didn't know what to do with it, how to sell it. Or even if they sell it, it turned out it's not what the customer wanted. So don't make that mistake. Of course, technology is important and it's enable us to do a lot of stuff. But start with the customer, start with the minimum viable product. And by that, I mean with the pen and paper, basically, in the extreme case. And just what's this minimum functionality, or not functionality, but minimum benefit value which you can provide to the customer, and even test it manually and see if it works. What do you think about that?